So yeah, it's very late right now, but I'm just gonna do a small documentation video of where I am and what am I currently doing right now. So yeah, it's pretty much part of what I'm doing. It's part of what I'm doing. Yeah. So yeah, man. But it's very late, man. I think the last time I checked, it was Uh, I think I think it was 1 p.m. Yeah, I think the last time I checked, I think it was 1 p.m. I was doing a surgeon here. Instead, a Smolanyana surgeon. Let me put you here. Smolanyana surgeon. Uh, yeah, it's 109. Focus, man. It's 109. I'm currently studying like Google Ads. Performance Max, PMax. Yeah, man. And right before I went to Performance Max, I was studying Google search, GitHub. So I struggled with it for quite some time, for I think for 2 days. But right now I got I think I do have a very deep understanding of it, But but I ran into another puzzle, another problem as I was learning GitHub, and it has nothing to do with like me being conflicted by each and everything. I think it's the platform like uh, I'm using. I think it is the Google Ads platform or browser or some shit that is not functioning, that is malfunctioning in some way. As you can see here, I bumped into this error. Let me show you something here. Let me try and redo each and everything. Here, let's say new campaign, sales, search, websites, Nectar ads, net, and then I continue here, say Nectar ads also. Okay, it's just a demonstration, man. Do not mind anything. Nectar ads. See. That's the annoying part about each and everything, man. But yeah, all in all, man, uh, I'm getting a hang of it, man. I'm getting a hang of each and everything. I'm getting a deep understanding of each and everything related to Google Ads, GitHub. And I think this is the only impediment, this is the only barricade that is like now stopping in my way, because right before I even moved to learning about PMax or like introducing myself or introducing my brain or preparing my brain rather, or preparing my brain rather for something that's upcoming and all that stuff, because I like to do things in that type of way or in that kind of way. I like to introduce my brain, to certain types of, like, maybe let's say I want to do something tomorrow. I'll introduce it maybe today just for you to get a hang of what is happening, you understand, to make it adjust to whatever environment, to look at the environment and scan it a little bit, you have. So I'm just doing something like that, man. And I'm also batteryless. I'm sitting at 24 now. Yeah, so yeah, I'm about to charge the laptop and sleep. Yeah, and sleep, man. But I think I need to finish the video, the PMax video first. But this is the only barricade that is standing in my way from moving forward right now. So I was in the process of like practicing and like learning the platform and like acclimatizing or like accustoming myself to the platform and all that. But yeah, things happen, shit like that happens. So yeah, man, let me finish this shit and just sleep, bro. This is the only thing, bro. But the progress, let me speak about the progress of each and everything, bro. I'm getting a hang of each and everything, bro. I think uh, I'm gonna finish. I'm not. Let me not say finish, but I think I'm gonna be 90% proficient at this shit in less than 2 months. You know, in less than 2 months, or let me say in less than 3 months, in less than the 3 month mark I had set for myself. So yeah, man. And I'm really grateful to myself for how I am moving right now. Because if it wasn't for how I am moving, I'm currently moving right now. Like I do have some faults there and there, but if it wasn't for how I was moving, like trying to be consistent and enforcing the consistency, even when my body just deviates from the purpose, sometimes from my purpose, sometimes like, bruh, I really appreciate myself, dog, for doing this shit, dog, for being here each and every day and doing this. You have almost each and every day. You have at least maybe 1 or 2 days. Like, okay, there's never been 2 days, like one day or some shit. You know, it was only once when I missed like 2 days like in a row. You have, so yeah, I'm really grateful to myself for doing something like that. Let me sleep, man. Let me finish this shit and sleep. And I also have a few questions about things related to Google Ads. Let me fetch my books. So, wait. So, yeah. I had a few questions about each and everything, bro. So, yeah. Yeah, I had a few questions about each and everything. There's certain types of things that I couldn't understand. So I just had to write the questions down, you understand, and add some insights that I got as I was researching about like certain types of topics that were conflicting me, or puzzling me in some way. So yeah, as you can see here, I don't know if you're gonna see, but yeah, let me stand aside. So this is the question that just popped by, man, just like came into my head. Like, are there any products that thrive specifically on Google Ads or like Facebook or TikTok ads? Like maybe you'd find that there's a product that like just thrives in some environment and all that, or a brand that thrives in some environment. So I was just trying to ask a question like that. So, and the second one, I haven't researched and understood that. I haven't researched something like that. So, and another one is for Google, we should focus on high ticket sales and lead generation. Why? I think I got that from my mentor. So yeah, man, I'm super tired. I'm like, dog, I'm brain exhausted. If there is something like that, dog, I'm mentally exhausted. Yeah, that's the right word. I'm mentally exhausted, man. So let me finish this shit and then sleep, bro. Yeah, but that was just it, man. I started around like around 10. Yeah, I started around 10, like with each and everything. So it's 1 p.m. now, and the time that I set for myself to sleep on is around to sleep around some shit is 2 p.m. But yeah, let me finish the video and then sleep, bro. Yeah, man. I only set like 4 hours for me to work, so we only have 42 minutes. Countdown. I only set the countdown. So yeah, like I'm brain exhausted, man. Even that English is not coming out today. So yeah, let me just finish this and then just go and sleep.